Welcome. So today I encourage you to take a moment to reflect on that past year. And then as you make that gratitude list from 2022, come home to yourself. And hope you're ready to make 2023 a pivotal year to get to know yourself and feel much, much better from inside out. And I wanted to invite you to my virtual workshop called Align Your Spine on January 3rd. In this intro workshop, you will get to learn simple and effective self-care tools to take care of you by releasing both conscious and unconscious tensions. And having these tools, you can prevent and reduce back pain, manage stress and anxiety, boost up your immune system, gain more clarity, and feel more alive. So I wanted to empower you to take control of your well-being. Bring a chair, tennis ball, and a pen and a paper with you. And space is limited, so make sure you register today to save your spot. And for more info, visit my website or use that link in the bio. So happy New Year's and see you soon.